Hi my loves, I hope you're having a great week. I'm having a new unboxing video again today and I can't wait to show you. Let's get right into it. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Zona. I upload videos about fashion, how to style, what bags to buy, what I recommend, what handbags are trending, and what bags that you could buy out there that are really nice and classy. So I do these kind of videos and hoping that we could have a community here in YouTube who loves designer handbags and nice fun things in fashion and how to look good. So yeah, if that's what interests you, this is the channel for you. So I hope you would subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends. And please don't forget to make comments down below. Also, you could click on the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will get notified right away. All right, so let's start with my little Chanel unboxing. Really cutie here, so I'm so happy. You know, I have this CA in Chanel, and she's really adorable, very helpful. I'm shouting out for Chloe. Hi Chloe, I hope you're having a nice week as well. So I was so happy that I finally got another classic Chanel earrings that I could add to my collection. So let's open it, see what we got here. I really like Chanel packaging. You know, I love the camellia flower, the white flower that they always have. It's just adorable. It's so cute. So here it is. Oh my god, what a cutie. So cute. It's just so full of flowers. The box is so small and cute. Let's do it. Oh. I wonder what it is. Can you guess? Well, I went to South Coast the other day. I had a little bonding with my Miss Agatha, my little daughter. Well, she's not little anymore, but yeah, I always love shopping with her. So yeah, here it is. So it comes with this little booklet. It's just like some instructions in different languages, so that's what it is. And then it comes with a little velvety wrap. I call it like a tea wrap. And here it is. It's so cute. I got this for $475. So Chanel accessories, you know, they're just so expensive. You have to really know what to buy, and because some of them, you know, I heard that it falls out, like the pearls. It did never happen to me, but I've heard some people who have problems like that. But you could always have it repaired at the Chanel. They send it back to Paris, you know, and then they'll repair it for you. So yeah, I do have another classic silver one with a stone from Chanel, and with this resin style with a little light gold touch to it. You know, it's just very sophisticated, and I've always wanted to get one of these. And then when I go to the store, they don't have it, so it just comes and go. But then I forget about it, and then recently I happened to stop by and they have it again, so now I got it. So yeah, I can't wait to show you when I wear them. It's just so nice, adorable. I love it. So do you also have a lot of Chanel accessories? For me, I don't have a lot, but I like what I got, and yeah, so I hope I'll collect more. And because I usually, like, I've had some earrings before, and I would lose it on my travels. So it's quite hard for me to keep buying, and it's not that cheap. So I have to be very careful next time so I could put together all my collections and not lose them. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm really improving slowly on that. So yeah. Are you ready? Well, next up is the big bag right here. Can you see how big it is? It's like double my size. I mean, maybe I could even fit in this bag. But I can't wait to show you. Mark invited me to this event for launching their new collection, but they so happen to have this, and I'm so glad, you know, I got one. It's humongous. It's very generous. It's just so huge. You see, it's like big box. Anyways, let's start the unboxing. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, it's the, oh, can you guess? Well, yeah, I'm sure. I have it on the title and the description down below, so I'm sure you have an idea what it is. Big one. Oh gosh, we'll see. It's the Charan! Oh my, it's the On-The-Go tote bag in canvas in reverse monogram from LV. It's just a really nice bag. You know, I've always been conflicted with having to decide whether I should get the Neverfull. I mean, I like that it's very functional bag and you can wear it on the daily basis and put all your stuff in there, but I just feel like I don't really like bags that slouch or drops. I like more like a structured type of bag, and if I want to get the tote bag, I think I'd like it structured and durable. So I've been also looking at that Chanel canvas or the Dior. Those two are very popular, but it's just not, to me, I don't feel it will last. And if you only want to have like one durable luxury handbag, like a tote luxury handbag, I think I would recommend this one because it's structured and the material is so good. I think this would last you for a long time. I mean, it's an everyday bag and it's still very chic, and it's actually has that sophisticated look for the kind of bag that it is, you know, as a tote bag. So it's quite classy, and you could pair it with a lot of color of clothes. I think it's very versatile. So what do you think? Do you own one of these? Let me know. It's a striking practical bag. I really like it, and it's got the, and it has a gold color hardware. Oh my god, this is so adorable. This bag is the Giant reverse monogram On-The-Go, and it's a very practical, striking model. It's very nice for everyday wear. It's very versatile. This is a GM model, so you can actually hide the long strap inside, and you could wear it like this as a top handle with these two iconic Toran top handles, and you can also wear it with the long leather straps like this. So cute. It's just so nice. so adorable. It's got the little monogram imprint in here, and as well as on the other side. And then it has the giant monogram right here. So it's so cute. So this one is made in USA with imported material. That's what it says here inside. It's got the red interior lining. So cute. It's got a flat zip pocket right here. So can you see that? Yeah, it's got the flat, and it's got a double inside pockets underneath it. So yeah, you could put like a bag organizer inside so that you know you could organize your stuff when you wear it. Yeah, so it's really nice. It's quite versatile. It's Louis Vuitton did a good job making this bag. I really like it. You know, I think I would like this a lot better than the Neverfull. So everyone has their own style and preference. So, but I've been always been so conflicted on buying that Neverfull bag, comparing this to the Dior tote and the Chanel canvas tote bag. I think I would go for this more than those three bags because it has a very nice structure, and I think that because of the thick leather, this would last you a long time, and for the wear and tear, I think this will win over those bags. So, and for the price, you know, it's not so bad. I mean, for having this, I think you could have this for a long time and it will be so durable. And yeah, I like the gold hardware inside, and it's got this little thing that connects it together, so you could have it connected like that so your stuff won't fall out. So yeah, it has this little shape here that kind of slope smaller, you know, than the bottom part, so it makes it more sexy. Yeah, it's very nice. It's so iconic and versatile. This is like a GM size for this model, but yeah, it's just really nice, and I hope that you like it. And maybe you have one already. Let me know in the comment below what you think. Do you wear it every day, and or are you planning to get one? Well, this bag is quite hard to get your hands into because they just so popular that, and it's a limited edition. So I'm lucky that in that event they have it, and yeah, and my CA offered it to me. So Mark, thanks again for this wonderful bag. I think I'm gonna wear this every day, put all my big stuff in here, my laptop, you know, whatever essentials I need for my daily job, my daily work. So yeah, this could be the tote, because I always carry like a big bag and my shoulder bag or my top handle bag. So I'll have something to bring with me, especially the snacks, nutritious foods that I bring with me that I can't live without every day. So yeah, I always have this little bag and a big bag on a daily basis, you know. Yeah, if I'm on the go. So this is just perfect. The name itself, On The Go, completes my day. What do you think, guys? So anyways, that's it for that today. So that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing today with these two items. Today I'm wearing a little skirt dress, you know, the one that you convert into all different styles. I really love this dress. I got this from Hawaii from a years back when I was there visiting my friend Tiffany. So I got this over there. So yeah, I just remember them today, and it's just perfect for this bag. It's just so cute, you know, together. It just matches I hope you like my video and subscribe, share to your friends, and I hope to see you again on my next video. I can't wait. I love you.